So hi everyone, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to learn about that how to use a query as a column inside another query. Okay, so we can use a query or we can say a single select. We can add a select query as a column inside another select query. So that we will going to learn in this video. So how to do it? Okay, so for example, I will show you that we will select. We will start with the select statement. Okay, select. Then in the first column we will just we want the host name. Okay, so we will take that host name from the JV instance dollar. Okay, so you can see that I have added select query inside another select query for getting host name. Okay, so this is a query inside a query. Okay, so from this within this inside query we will get the host name. Okay, so next will be SQL ID. Okay, and now the ls time. Okay, from $GV dollar SQL starts. Okay, here also where we just want to print the first say three rows. Okay, so you can see that we have used a select query within another select query as a column. Okay, so you can do it if you are sure that whatever views we are going to use, that view does not contain any other column that you desire to add inside your select query. Okay, inside your output, so you can use a select query from the another views as a column to get the result of your desired output. Okay, so you can see that we are getting this output. Okay, so here the first column is from the select query. Okay, and we are getting the host name. Now the second column is of SQL ID. Okay, so we are getting that also, and the final we are getting the elapsed time. Okay, so elapsed time is this from the GV SQL starts view. So in this way we can use a select query inside another select query for getting the desired output. If the column which you want to add inside your output, okay, so is not available in the uh, parent view. Okay, so you can use such as. Okay, so also you can get such like select sysdate. Okay, select to char sysdate. Okay, then day, month, and then year. Okay, then hours 24. Okay, then minutes, then seconds. Then from dual, this is our first column. Okay, now we want SQL ID. Then again we will going to use ls time from the $GV dollar SQL starts. And here also in the where clause we will mention only first three rows.